Okay, y'all, this is JDog713 coming at you with another video review on Infiniti Q60. Today, well, I started yesterday. I got the HKS BOV valve kits, and I had a little complication yesterday because the instructions didn't tell me everything that needed to be disassembled. I just wanted to point out something to y'all. You got to remove these two screws right here. They're 12 millimeters. Here's 12. These are 7. I gotta tighten that one up. Just 7 to 7. Also, there's another one down there, but it's kind of tricky on how you gotta mount it up. You gotta twist it a certain way to where you can access the screws. Then pop the blow-off valve on there. I hadn't done the other side, but I'm working on that right now. So check it out. This is what the intercooler looks like. These are all the coolant hoses running to it. There's one on the bottom. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Never have I ever seen a vehicle like this with two independent intercoolers running off the coolant. So it's kind of like it's air to liquid intercooler. But when I'm finished with it, I'll do another video. See how it sounds. Alright.